नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे प्रोटोटाइप के बारे में। दोस्तों, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाने से पहले उसका डिज़ाइनिंग किया जाता है। आफ्टर दैट वी विल प्रिपेयर द प्रोटोटाइप। Prototype can be prepared in different ways. You can see here, this is a 3D printed prototype here of the real coach. You can see this is the AC 3 tier. You can see the birds here. These are all 3D printers, and also you can see these are the colors, different colors. So we had 3D printer of different multi colors. Also you can see this is printed in parts. This is the one part. You can see a joint here, and this is the second part, and you can also see here, you can see all these parts, core tires, tanks, and everything here. So this is the prototype, so that before building actual coach we can get some idea about how it look likes. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this.